In this video, we're going to talk about Bos Agora, which is a brand new platform in which you can earn daily rewards. Obviously, nothing I'm talking about on the channel is financial advice. It's do your own research. Let's dive into today's video. Okay, guys, jumping down to Bos Agora. Link down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. Build, vote, and earn every day on this blockchain platform. An optimized blockchain platform for integration with everyday life. Various benefits are provided to all Congress Network members through the platform, and we'll take a look at Congress Network in just a moment. So this is basically an everyday blockchain platform that integrates all the major things within crypto under one roof. It's creating an environmental movements platform for an eco museum, and then social, realizing fair compensation and real life value connections, as well as to all ecosystem participants. You think about the banking system, that's one of the major reasons that crypto has been able to grow so quickly, because of the rewards, etc., that are being shared more generously with communities, as well as that governance, building a DAO ecosystem through DAO tool and budget support. So in recent news over on medium.com, Bos Agora has completed the development of the Agora mainnet and started the node operation application. And we're going to see the benefits of holding those nodes in just a minute. They're pleased to announce the development of the Agora mainnet on the Bos Agora has been completed today, which was literally just a few days ago. So this is a brand new thing, establishing an earning platform where you can do things like play to earn, you can do things like NFT trading, DeFi, metaverse stuff, and so much more, all through this one ecosystem. So it's a highly versatile ecosystem which should ensure longevity of the project, as well as there's various rewards, etc., for holding and staking coins in the platform, which is a good incentive for people to keep their funds in place. So if you're wondering why you should become a validator, well, becoming a validator enables you to do a number of different things. You can participate. Each of the nodes is a validator, so obviously this really aids in decentralization. You also get to vote your choice or have an opinion on different decisions. And then there's sovereignty. So each individual wallet has its own sovereignty. So what are the benefits of joining the Congress Network? Well, funding, proposals, current budget is an asset to accumulating a certain amount of BOA every time a block is released. This will help the Agora ecosystem, and you must be willing to ask Congress for a funding proposal. We will support the initial costs of the project services. There's also block confirmation rewards, which is what we're most interested in here, because you can earn staking rewards. And by clicking on calculate rewards, you can see that we can stake various amounts of tokens in order to receive certain rewards. And you'll see over a year, you'll earn 107.79%. On a daily basis, that's 0.3%. And this obviously compounds, guys. 8.86% per month is actually really good, especially if you're doing it over a year. And if you're concerned about the team at all, there has been a lot of drama recently within crypto, FTX, etc. You can see them here over on their Twitter, meeting with Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, and they're hoping to interact together in the future, building together as a partnership. So I recommend going across to the Twitter, which is also linked down below, guys. You can give them a follow over there to keep up to date with all of their updates and things that are happening on the Bos Agora. Now, in order to be able to purchase the tokens, guys, you need to get yourself a MetaMask wallet, which can be found easily through Google Chrome Web Store, or if you're on different applications, just search for it on your main search engine. That will bring up the MetaMask. You can follow a tutorial of how to set up a MetaMask account if you are not sure how to do it. So these are all of the details that you need to put in to MetaMask in order for the Agora token to show up. And that will effectively enable you to then go and create various transactions. Now, if you come over to coinmarketcap.com, guys, you can find a Bos Agora on here. Current market cap sat at $11 million. Obviously, that could be due to change very, very quickly. And because of the small size of the project, has great potential. But remember, it's very new, very small project, but it's already got good amounts of investment, good amounts of cash flow, which could enable this to grow significantly in the future. Obviously, not financial advice, so go and do some research if you want to invest in this project. But once the crypto market starts, and I feel we're pretty much at the market bottom, could be wrong, but I really feel that we could be about to turn things around. You can see these smaller cryptocurrency market caps really start to explode, and if you're already earning rewards via staking, that's another absolute no-brainer. Coming down below, you can see all the different places in which you can purchase this token. You've got KuCoin, Gate.io, etc. It tells you all of the different, shows you the volume, etc. you can get through here, so go for the higher volumes. You could take like BitThumb, Gate.io, etc., and then they're high confidence as well. Once you've done that and you've set up your MetaMask wallet, you can then transfer them into your MetaMask wallet, And once you've got that going, guys, then you can go across and stake the tokens. So there's a very big event coming up after a very successful year for Bos Agora. Time flies, there is only 2 months left in 2022, and they wish to have a great Bos Agora successful end of year party plan. They'll be meeting local governments, companies, organizations in order to expand the network ecosystem. This could be very beneficial for anyone who's invested in this platform, because obviously if it's successful, and this is basically how business is really done in crypto, it is meet and greets, then you can see significant potential for growth. You can also notice that there is various airdrops and things happening. End of year 2020 bash. You need to follow them on Twitter in order to keep up to date with these airdrops. Obviously, guys, if you go and win the airdrop and then you go and stake it for earning 107% a year, so say you earn $100 and then you stake it, within a year you're looking at like $210. It could be even more. And then actually you're looking down below, you've got total rewards here of $15,800 of total number of tokens. So $15,000, stake that, you could then make it into $30,000 just by going across to Twitter, giving them a follow and keeping up to date with what's going on over there. So in summary, Bos Agora is a brand new crypto, a blockchain offering a tons of different features, but most importantly, consistent staking available. They've already been meeting with founders from Cardano and could well see partnerships in the future, which could be explosive for the company's growth. They offer staking where you can own a node and stake the token to earn 107% in an annual basis. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, make sure you smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Everything I talked about today is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out now. And if you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about Web3, NFTs, crypto, and so much more, make sure you hit that subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.